All I've got to say is this better work. Hey guys, Midwest Perker here. Welcome to my channel. Glad you're here. My name is Dave. I'm a part-time reseller, full-time husband, father, RN, selling on eBay primarily, sometimes Facebook Marketplace a little bit. I make these videos to help people that are new to reselling, and even if you're not new to reselling, I talk about, what sold video, like this video, where I sourced it, what I paid for it, what it sold for, and how it shipped. And before I get started, if you see on the big screen behind me, you got Little Debbie's YouTube page, so check out her YouTube page. Show her some love, subscribe. She's got some cool videos on there. She really should make more videos. She makes one like once a month, but I think she should make more. So anyway, also I want to talk about my second YouTube channel, Midwest ASMR. Now, I know if you know what ASMR is, you're thinking, wow, that's really weird. There are some strange ones on YouTube. Mine is not a strange one, it's a normal one. It's videos for relaxation, help you sleep, background while you're working, put it on the TV in the living room. It's, birds chirping, birds songs and sounds, my pellet stove, snow falling. I have about 5 videos, just something to relax. Oh, I have an Enoch video too. It's got some funky music playing in the background, some psychedelic light shows going on behind them. So check those out. I'll link it down below. Don't search Midwest ASMR because there's another guy that's got a channel with the exact same name. So I'll link that down below. And also my most successful video, a dodgeball video of all things, like 43,000 views. I link that down below too. So that's pretty cool. You like the t-shirt I got here? I'll put a picture up in the corner. This is from Mrs. Midwest for my birthday. She got me this funny t-shirt. Next video I do, I'll show you the second funny t-shirt she got me. Pretty cool. So you have to come back and check that out. So the first item I sold was a lot of 11 Garden Railways magazine. I'm not sure where I got these. I'm pretty sure the cost of goods was pretty low, about $2. I don't know if I got this from a thrift store or an estate sale. I can't even remember. It's been so long. They've been sitting in a box. Sourced them way before I moved. I put my eBay store on time away, April of 2021. So I don't know. I've had these for a long time. They were listed. They were taken down. I just relisted them recently, and within a couple days, boom, they sold. So this lot of 11 magazines sold for $24.95 plus priority mail shipping on top. And when I say shipping on top, that means the buyer paid shipping. Next is a Uranium Glass juicer. I bought this at a Goodwill, paid up a little bit, I think $3 or $4, which is a little high for me. But Uranium Glass is a little more collectible than regular glass. And if you don't know a lot about Uranium Glass, you can go to Wikipedia and look it up. It's very collectible. Most of it not real super valuable, but some of it is very valuable. I have a collection off camera in a cabinet. I got about 10 pieces of it. Some of it is Fenton, some of it's hard to find. Anything as small as jewelry, salt and pepper shakers, and as big as a desk lamp or a table lamp and everything in between. This sold for $13.95 plus priority mail shipping on top. Next is the vintage Ertl steak truck. Cost of goods is $0. I inherited this from my dad. I had it in a box kicking around for a long time. In storage, I figured why not list it and try to sell it. It sold for $34.95 plus priority mail shipping on top. You might be able to find things like this, Tonka, Ertl, Buddy L, other brands. If you see them at a flea market, you're probably going to pay full retail. But if you do find them at a garage sale or a church rummage sale, you might be able to get them for a couple bucks, $2 or $3. And they do sell very well. Condition is everything. This one was missing decals on one whole side, but there were decals on the other side, and the gate on the back was intact. It opened and closed. All the wheels and tires are there. All the plastic windows were there. So condition is very important. Don't buy anything with missing plastic windows or a missing wheel. You might be able to sell them for parts, but you have to weigh the pros and cons. Is it worth your time? This next item I've never sourced before. The brand is Hall Superior, and it's a pie serving plate. So in the picture, it kind of looks like a plate, but it's actually got a wall on the side about 2.5 inches high on an angle. I guess you put a pie in it, and that's how you serve a pie. I don't know. I'm not really familiar with glassware or housewares, but I'm learning, and I'm not afraid to source items if I do comps and look them up and see that they're worth a lot of money. Cost of goods for this was $1. I'm not sure where I got this. I think a Salvation Army. I can't remember. Maybe $1.99. It sold for $14.95 plus priority mail shipping on top. Next is Safety First brand magnetic safety locking kits. You know, those safety child locks you put on cabinet doors and drawers so that the kids can't get them open, but an adult can. These are that thing, the safety devices, but they're magnetic, so they're kind of high tech. This is brand new in the package. I would never sell these used. Cost of goods was from a Goodwill, $4.99. Sold for $19.95 plus first class shipping on top. Because these are pretty tough and they come in a hard plastic case, I just put it in a bubble mailer, no problem. Next is a 1973 Allie Oop comic Gazette. Wasn't real familiar with what this is. I won a ephemera lot from Mr. Buys a Lot YouTube auction. Just a ton of stuff. So cost of goods, if you divide everything that came in this giant box plus the cost, they're about $1 a piece. So if I paid $100 for this ephemera lot, there was over 100 pieces in there. So I just divide and do the math, and cost of goods is like $1 a piece. This is like a Gazette or a newspaper. I was not familiar with this at all. I had to do some research on it. It's about an 8-page, kind of a heavy stock paper newspaper, sort of, not really. I sent an offer for $15 and the buyer took it and they paid it plus first class shipping on top. Next is an Armstrong brand impact socket. I know a lot about hand tools. I've never heard of Armstrong before, but it's made in the USA and it's an impact socket. I paid up a little bit. Cost of goods $4 at a flea market. There was a guy at Burley Park Flea Market that had just a table full of tools, and he had these sockets. I always go for the large sockets, the 1 inch, the 1 1/4, the 1 5/8. Those really big ones are very expensive. And he had a handful, maybe half a dozen big ones. Sears, Craftsman, SK, and Armstrong. He wanted kind of a lot, $3, $4, $5 a piece. I don't normally pay that much, but this one I took a chance and I did pay up a little bit. I had it listed for $14.95 for a couple months. I sent all the watchers an offer for $12, and a watcher bought it for $12 plus priority mail shipping on top because it came in just over a pound. So tell me what you think. I'm using an external microphone, so I bought a GoPro microphone adapter for my GoPro Hero 8 Black, and then I bought this lapel mic. I think it sounds better. I did some test videos earlier. All right, this is a sound test with my GoPro Hero 8 Black with no microphone. This is the GoPro microphone in the front of the camera, speaking in a normal tone of voice. I'm in my eBay office with the door shut. This is the second audio test using an external microphone, a lapel mic, plugged into a GoPro microphone adapter. Put down in the comments what you think. Does the audio come in clear? Does it sound better than my previous videos? If you don't know, watch my previous video and compare the audio to this video. Any questions, any comments? Did I make a mistake? Did I sell anything too cheap? If you have any questions or comments, please put those down below. Check out my Midwest ASMR channel. Like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. I should be going live every Sunday now at 8 p.m. I received 6 bottles of disgusting soda, so I'll be taste testing a different soda every Sunday. So come back here 8 p.m. Sunday Eastern Standard Time. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.